Lately I've been low, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll. Life been taking toll. I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower.
Hey bougie babes, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute brown lace wig. This hair is brought to you by Hermosa Hair Company. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the bag, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this bag, I received an elastic band, some eyelashes, and also a wig cap. This unit is a 24-inch color number 4 brown 13x4 lace frontal unit. She is 180% density with a very natural hairline, and she also has adjustable straps and combs. Now we are going to bleach the knots. We're going to take our Quick Blue powder, 50 volume developer, and a couple drops of that Adore Rich Eggplant color. We're going to mix that up to create a nice thick consistency. Then we're going to take some hairspray, spray that hairline, and comb it back just to avoid over bleaching. And then we're going to apply the bleach and let that sit for almost 30 minutes. So this is the next day, and as you can see, we are heading straight into plucking this unit. I like to pluck behind the hairline, and once I pluck sporadically, I then go back and try to pluck all the way back until I reach the tracks. This is going to create a nice natural looking hairline, and this is a new technique. Well, it's the same technique, but I have a new technique of installing these units, and I'm obsessed because I'm not using glue anymore, and so I want to make sure my hairlines is looking as natural as possible, especially if we're not using glue. And then once I pluck the sides of the lace frontal, I then work on the middle of the lace frontal, which is then I'm going to create a nice thick widow's peak. As you can see, it is a little bit pointed. I don't pluck too much in the widow's peak, but I still make it apparent. And so after we're done plucking, we're gonna go ahead and curl this unit. I'm gonna take some Bio Silk. No, actually, this is the She Silk Infusion. We're gonna lather that onto the hair. I am doing the middle part, so I'm just going to go ahead and style this unit off of my head. This is gonna help make the installs easier. I feel like once I style it off my head and then put it on my head, the installs are way more faster than normal. It takes maybe 20 minutes to install my units now, just because I like to basically style them off of my head. So I highly recommend doing that the day before, so when you have an event, you can just plop it on and you don't feel like you have to rush or spend extra time on the same day. As you can see, I am adding some of the serum on each section and then splitting it into some sections, using some hairspray and curling this unit. So with my experience with this unit, this does not hold a curl, so I highly suggest if you like this unit, definitely keep the unit straight, just because it does not hold a curl for nothing. It's just very silky, and the luster on it is very, very like straight. I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't hold a curl, and I felt like I had to recurl this hair maybe 2 times in the same day. So that's just, you know, a quick tip if you're thinking about getting this wig. And then we finished, and now we're gonna go ahead and hairspray that down, which did absolutely nothing, but that's okay. So after like a few days, I undo the pins after pin curling, and then I go ahead and comb the hair back with a Y2 comb. So that's why I say I love to style it off of my head, just so I can just plop it on my head without having to spend most of my time trying to style it on my head. And then we're just going to finish that with putting some foundation on the perimeter of the lace as well as inside the lace. And now it's time to install this unit. And of course, this is not a hair tutorial without playing some bomb music, so I'm gonna go ahead and play a song by a new artist, and I hope you enjoy, and I'm gonna come back to you on the baby hairs because I found a new technique for y'all.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, tryna take it slower. Party on occasion, that should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I've got all the things you need from me. I wanna hear you say you still believe in me. I just wanna know, tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know, tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know, tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know, tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna feel something real. Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the year, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a range about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say we're something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready, I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. I just wanna know. Tell me it's the real thing. Tell me it's the real thing.
I hope you liked the song as much as I did. We are on the baby hairs now, and I'm taking some mousse. The mousse is what did it for me. Okay, this is a whole new technique. I forgot to curl the baby hairs, but I will curl it in the next clip. So definitely curl the baby hairs first before adding the mousse, so you know you don't burn your edges off. But yeah, so I do very minimal baby hairs, but what I do is put the mousse on the hairline as well as on the baby hairs, and then swoop the baby hairs within the hairline. So it creates a very natural, I always wanted to know, how do we create a natural looking hairline without the baby hairs looking super, like, you know, crisp and thick? And I've been trying my hardest with these baby hairs, because y'all be coming, some of y'all are a little rude with my baby hairs, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, bullying does work sometimes. And so adding the mousse on the hairline with the baby hairs just makes the hairline look amazing, as well as adding that paper onto your hairline and waiting until it's completely dry. That's the key. You have to wait until it's completely dry to remove. And then I'm gonna clean it up with a little bit of some edge control, but not too much. I put it mainly on the hairline and not the baby hairs, and I just brush the baby hairs until it's nice and soft. But look at that hairline, y'all. It's perfection, and this just made like the install process way more fun because I finally perfected this gorgeous look. So this is basically it. As you can see, the curls fell again, but that's okay because this unit is so gorgeous. The hairline's bomb, like so bomb. I want to thank you so much, Hermosa Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. And don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, Trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking